Ready ka na ba?
I really thank the Lord sa lahat ng ginawa niya sa buhay natin. I can say that God is really faithful. You are my answered prayer, my God's best. Ikaw ang gusto kong makasama habang buhay. Mahal na mahal kita.
Han, alam mo, pinagpipray kita noong pang 2009 hanggang 2011 na maging asawa ko. January 25, nireveal ka sa akin ni Lord, Han. And niligawan na kita agad, kinabukasan. Sinagot mo ako ng Feb 18. Tinanong mo ko kung mahal ko si God. Sabi ko, oo. At tinanong mo ko kung mahal kita. Ang sabi ko, mahal kita ay...
This is the start. This is your heart. This is the day you were born. This is the sun. These are your lungs. This is the day you were born. And I am always, always, always yours. And I am always, always, always yours. These are the scars deep in your heart. This is the place you were born. And this is the hole where most of your soul comes ripping out from the places you've been torn. And it is always, always, always yours. But I am always, I'm always yours.
Gusto kong malaman mo, Chariza, na may commitment ako sa'yo. Na mahalin ka, mahalin kita ng walang kondisyon. At pangako ko sa'yo, magiging faithful ako sa'yo at hindi kita iiwan. Ako ang mag-lead, magpo-provide at poprotektahan kita. Gusto ko magkasama tayo habang buhay. Hanggang sa pagtanda natin, hanggang sa huling hininga natin.
I'm